I won't be making it in the microwave, and I won't be making it in the oven. Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. On today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a lemon drizzle mini loaf cake. I won't be making it in the microwave and I won't be making it in the oven, but today I'll be making it in the air fryer. Okay, let's get started.
So we need eggs, butter, sugar, flour, baking powder and some lemon zest. Mix your butter until it's light and fluffy. Next, add your sugar and continue mixing for 2 minutes. Scrape down your sides and then continue mixing for a few more seconds. Add your eggs one at a time and mix on slow speed. Then add your sifted flour and baking powder, as well as your lemon zest to the mixture. Then fold in your mixture with your spatula, making sure you get around the sides and the bottom of your bowl. At the last minute, I decided to add some vanilla extract. This part is optional. using these mini loaf cases. I've greased the inside. Not quite sure if I needed to because there is a coating inside of them already, but I decided to just as an extra precaution. Now you can pour your mixture evenly into these mini loaf cases. I'm just eyeballing the batter, just trying to make sure that it's as evenly distributed as possible. If you want to make sure that your cakes look accurate and uniformed, you can of course weigh each case as you're filling them with the batter. And now I'm just using my spatula to level off the tops and just tapping them on the work surface to get rid of any air bubbles. So for my air fryer, I'm pressing the bake function. I'm going to set the temperature to 148 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes. So the air fryer will preheat until it's reached its temperature. So now that it's reached 148 degrees, it's saying that I can now add the food. So I've now placed the cakes into the air fryer, where I'll leave it for the 20 minutes to cook. So the timer's gone off and I'm going to test the cake with a skewer to see if it's ready, and it is. So we can take these out and place on a cooling rack. While the cakes were baking, I made a lemon simple syrup and I left that to cool down. While the cakes are still warm, use a skewer to poke holes over the tops of the cakes. As you can see, the skewers are leaving quite large holes behind, so I would advise to use cocktail sticks next time. It's just that I couldn't find them and these were the next best thing. Brush the syrup over the entire cake, making sure you get right round the edges. This syrup is enough to cover all 4 of the cakes. Once you've finished brushing your cakes with the syrup, leave them aside to finish cooling down. So So now we're on to making the lemon drizzle. I've started off with a tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Once that's all combined, add another tablespoon of icing sugar. I ended up by putting 5 tablespoons of icing sugar to 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to get the desired consistency that I wanted for my drizzle. Place the drizzle into a piping bag. I've cut one down because I didn't need it to be so big with such a small amount of drizzle. Snip the end off with a pair of scissors. And then drizzle over your cakes, which should be cooled down by now. there we have our lemon drizzle mini loaf cakes.